Moser brand is a company that was created in 1828. It's been independent since then. It was created by an amazing man named Heinrich Moser in the town of Schaffhausen in Switzerland, and we're still there today with a beautiful manufacturer. We are family owned. Actually, my family owns the brand, and we are today with 50 people producing 1,000 pieces a year, producing pretty much everything inside the watches. So something quite special in watchmaking, and we believe they are very ingenious products. We bring smart solutions rather than complications. We try to keep the watches extremely elegant, and I think that makes a big difference. And that's why the people appreciate our products. And when people come and visit our manufacturer, a lot of people come and visit it because it's small size. They can see everything with 50 people. They're quite amazed with the amount of passion you find in the people, the way they talk about their job. It's more than a job; it's just a passion. The well-known icon of Moser is the Perpetual one. It's a Perpetual Calendar. It's not just any Perpetual Calendar. It's probably the most subtle, the most ingenious Perpetual Calendar. We have what we call the flash calendar in there, giving you the possibility to change at any time of the day the date forward, backwards. It jumps automatically at midnight, and you don't have like a sliding date. It's a very big date. And on top of that, we have a very special indication of the months, using a small arrow at the center of the dial and using the 12 indexes to show every month. 12 months, 12 indexes, and that's pretty smart. And that was the first watch to do that. And on top of that, we have a 10 days power reserve manufacture movement with our own escapement, something quite extraordinary. Usually a Perpetual Calendar is something that if you start playing with it and you have to move the date forward or backward, you destroy it, and it costs a lot to repair it, and you need to wait for a long time. This one, you can be using it on a trip, then putting it down, you use it a few weeks or months later. You don't have to have something winding it up all the time. You just set it back up, and it's very easy, and just continue using it. And I think that's quite amazing, and I think that's why people want those kind of watches. Sometimes they change, but they want it practical and user-friendly, and that's what we have. All our watches have a big open back, showing a big movement. We have very big movement. We actually build the case around the movement, and that's quite rare as well. My idea is to try to bring more and more into this brand. It has to be smart, it has to be ingenious. We already have 6 movements, so we're going to bring a new collection next year. It's a slightly different design, always understated and very elegant. That's one very important point, expanding the collection, because at the moment we have 1 collection. We're planning to have also watches that can be used pretty much every day. If you go to the beach, you can have a very elegant yet sexy watch, and I think that's what we can provide, and that's why we're going to continue developing along those lines. And we're going to try to work with other materials. Today it's gold and platinum only, and I think we can play also with other very functional materials, and that's something we're exploring for the years to come.